So we are checking out Nirvana water. Now, we love things that are smart. And out of smart things, one thing that comes to mind about Nirvana water is that it's infused with HMB. Now, HMB is clinically supported to increase muscle strength, gains in capacity, reduce recovery time for muscles, as well as decrease muscle loss from aging. So if you are really into working out, then Nirvana water with HMB is a great way to make sure that you're keeping those muscles like recovering after your workouts, increasing strength. So this would be a good drink for before and after working out, as well as regularly, so that way you're basically not going to have a problem as you get older, which we all get older. So let's actually check it out, because this isn't normal water. This is water infused with HMB. So let's see if there's any specific taste difference. So it does have, I want to say almost like a hint of milk taste to the water, which is very interesting. Not like enough to really be noticeable, but like if you're looking for something different, there's like a weird kind of like almost filminess, probably caused by the HMB, but it doesn't off-put. Very interesting. Yeah, I wouldn't notice that much of a difference with this if I was basically drinking it regularly, and I'm looking for a difference in flavor here, but it's pretty much water with just a tiny bit of kind of calcium almost flavoring added to it. If the benefits it gives are powerful enough, me not being a scientist specifically, I'm not sure exactly how much HMB does a benefit, but if you are looking for whatever edge you can to help you with working out, then this would be a good thing to switch in for your regular water before and after your exercise and treatment. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Please like and subscribe.